Safari's autofill function lets us enter information like our name, email address, phone numbers, credit card details, as well as login names and passwords with a single click. I'm on a site where my login information is already saved. So when I go to sign into my account and click on the email address field, Safari offers to autofill that for me. My Mac has Touch ID, so I need to have my fingerprint read on the touch bar to autofill those details and log in. Over on the MacU.com contact page, we ask for your name and email address. As I start entering my name here, Safari offers to autofill. Click and the name and email fields are taken care of. Autofill is set up and controlled from Safari preferences. Here in the autofill pane, I have autofill for contact information, usernames and passwords, credit cards, and other forms all turned on. The first item here is going to look to the Contacts app for your information. If I click Edit, Contacts opens to my contact card. It's considered my card because it has this torso icon next to it. Any contact can be assigned as my card from the card menu and make this my card. So the more details that you have in here, the more that can be autofilled in Safari. Click Edit Usernames and Passwords, and I'm jumped over to the Passwords pane of Safari Preferences, which I have to unlock with my user account password or Touch ID. This displays all the passwords for various websites that Safari has saved for you. These can be removed or manually added. Usually, though, it's easiest to let Safari add them automatically, which we'll do shortly. Adding credit cards to autofill will let you quickly enter the card number, cardholder name, and expiration date into a web page. It won't autofill the security code, though. You'll need to either remember that number or have it accessible. In other forms, Safari will save information you've entered into the various sites and have it ready to autofill next time you're on that page. So let's head to the login page on the MacU.com. Currently, I don't have my email address and password saved for this site, so I'll need to enter that information manually this time. Once I do that, Safari will then ask if it should save the login password for this site. I'll choose Save and then log out. The next time I need to log in here, my email and password are autofilled. In the password section of Safari Preferences, we can see the login information that's saved for the MacU.com. If you have iCloud Keychain turned on in iCloud Preferences, all these saved passwords will sync with your other Mac and iOS devices. So autofill can be a real time saver when filling out a form or logging into websites. Utilizing password autofill and iCloud Keychain can make password management much easier between all your Apple devices.